Hello, my name is Kirsten Seeley, and this is going to be my SAS Viya 1 practice exercise. So our practice exercise tells us to open the browser in SAS Viya and view the product report for Orion Star Sports and Outdoors. I've already favorited and pinned this to my quick access, so I'm just going to double click on it to open it. So this first page brings me to the report overview, which is just telling me what this product report contains. So this one contains a supplier analysis and a product analysis. They each contain different things about the business. The practice problem wants us to take to the product analysis page. The first question is what links are available for the product analysis page. So to find this, we're going to go up to the top right hand corner here and click on the information tab. And down here at the bottom, it gives us a links tip, and you just double click a product group in the bar chart to view details about that specific product group. So we're going to close that. So I can click on one of these and it'll show me the breakdown of what that product category contains. So our next question is what product category has the fewest number of orders and the lowest total profit? So to do this, we are going to expand this profit and quantity by product category. So it takes up the whole screen. So to find the product category that has the fewest number of orders, we're going to go over here and sort the number of orders from least to greatest. So at the top right here, you can see that the indoor sports have the least amount of orders with around 12,000 orders. The lowest total profit category, again, we can sort it from least to greatest, and the lowest total profit you can see here is team sports with about 130 grand of profit. So we're just gonna close this again and return to our product analysis report. Our next question is what product groups are included in the indoor sports category? So for this, we're going to go over to our product category and hover over indoor sports and then click it once. When we do this, it shows us the three product groups that are contained in the indoor sports category. So for the indoor sports, you can see that fitness, gymnastic clothing, and the top trim category make up the indoor sports category. So it contains three product groups. How many products are in the fitness product group? So for this, we can hover over the fitness bar tab right here, and you can see the number of products currently is 45. So of the indoor sports, they sell 45 fitness products. So our next question is, do any fitness products generate a loss? So for this, we can actually double click this bar and it'll give us what is included in the fitness category. So to find if the category generates a loss, we're going to sort the profit from lowest to highest. And you can see here the top 4 products actually generate a loss. So this Latour Mag, Latour Spinner Bike, Latour Home Exerciser, and Lift Weights actually all generate a loss for the fitness product group. So we're going to close this out. And with the fitness and indoor sports still selected, we are going to see the top 2 cities by orders for fitness products. So for this, we're going to go down here to our top cities by orders, and we're going to expand this section. So while in the orders, we can again sort it from lowest to highest, but we want the top 2 cities, so we're going to sort it from highest to lowest. So the top 2 right here, you can see are Madrid and Milano, which you can see from this chart up here as well. Madrid has 243 orders, while Milano has 205 orders. Paris is close to 204, but the top 2 cities are Madrid and Milano. So by profit, it's actually easier to see when we close this and we toggle between orders and profit. We click profit, and it is clear here from the bar chart that London and Houston are the top 2 cities by profit for the fitness category, which is located in the indoor sports product category group. So then the last question is export the data for the dual axis time series plot filtered by indoor sports and fitness. Again, we already have indoor sports and fitness selected, so this time series plot is indeed showing us those two product groups. So to export the data, we're going to go down here to our time series plot, click More, and Export Data. We want all of this data, and we want it in Excel format because it's the easiest to analyze. So you can see down here that it brings us to the bottom of the screen. Open it, and you can see that it shows you that time series plot in number form, an easy way to analyze it. So all of these generate losses, but you could do what you want with this, and you could save it to your desktop and analyze it further, but for now we're just going to close it out. So that is exercise 1 in SAS Viya. Super interesting, and I can't wait to continue all of these exercises. Thank you.